everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with another interesting recipe which is very delicious and very yummy. So you all might have ate chicken kebab, fish kebab, but have you tried curd kebab? This comes out super yummy and super tasty. So I recommend you do try this curd kebab and let me know how it comes out. So for making curd kebab, I have taken here 1 cup of hung curd. So hung curd is nothing, basically the normal curd which you need to tie it with clothes and hang it overnight. So all the water drops and then in morning you get the fresh hung curd. So I need hung curd, then 1 cup of gram flour and boiled potatoes. So an onion, green chilies and coriander leaves. So here I am peeling the potatoes. So I have boiled the potatoes. So I peeled the potatoes here, and after peeling the potatoes we need to smash it. So I am going to first going to chop the onion. So the onion you need to chop, plus the green chilies and also the coriander leaves. So friends, please do make this hung curd kebab at home and enjoy with your friends and family. And I can bet this is so yummy that everybody will ask you to make it again and again. This is really a very unique and very tasty recipes. So here see, I have chopped the onions, green chilies, and I am also now chopping the green coriander leaves. So friends, I always try to make something new for my family, so that my family is not bored of eating the same food again and again. So here I am going to smash the boiled potatoes very nicely with the help of a fork, or you can also use a smasher as well. So the potatoes has been smashed nicely. So I am going to add here the chopped onions, chopped green chilies and the chopped coriander leaves. Now I am going to add the gram flour and also the hung curd, and then I am going to mix it very well with the help of a fork. So friends, you can make use of your hand as well. So if you are wearing a gloves, you can make use of your hand to mix it well. However, with the help of a fork also I can mix it. So see, here I have mixed those ingredients very nicely. Now I am going to add here salt as per taste. So I am going to add here pink salt, because we do use pink salt for our regular use. And then 1 spoon of red chilli powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then for extra nutrition I am going to add here 1 spoon of sesame seed. So sesame seed is very good for our health, as it has lot of calcium in it. So I try to add sesame seed in most of my dish, like parathas, kebabs, dosa, chutney, everything. It gives a very nutty texture and a flavor. So mixed everything very nicely. So now friends, I have put little bit oil in my hand, and after, so that this mixture does not get stick to my palm. So nicely now, with the using both of my hand, I am going to give it a shape of a kebab. So this is how the first one I made. Now I am going to make the second one as well. So friends, see how nicely these are getting shaped, because all this gram flour and everything is given a nice body to the kebab mixture. So I have already made all the kebabs. Now it's ready to be fried. So in a pan I am going to put 1 spoon of oil, because I'll be doing it shallow fry, so I do not need more oil. Just 1 spoon of oil. And now I am going to fry it in the medium flame. So friends, please do keep the flame in medium, so otherwise your kebab may get burnt, because the ingredients here are very delicate and you need to cook it really very carefully, or else it can get burnt, or also it can break as well. So see, one side is almost done. So very carefully now I am going to flip the side with the help of a fork or a spatula. So friends, the kebab is been nicely made. See the golden brown color, it's really nice, and it also giving a very nice aroma. So I have taken up all the kebab and now I am serving with a green pudina chutney.